A two-day panel discussion on emerging disciplines and their prospects and challenges in Manipur has kicked off today at Ghanapriya Women's College, Imphal. The discussion is organized by Rashtriya Uchatar Shiksha Abhiyan, Manipur. Education Minister T.H. Radheshyam, Commissioner Higher and Technical Education M. Hare Krishna, IAS, Director of University and Higher Education Department Kumanthem Daina, IAS, and Principal Ghanapriya Women's College, Dr. Rajkumari Tampasana attended the opening event. In biggest one-day spike, India's coronavirus cases mounted to 7,67,296 today, with 24,879 new infections and 487 fresh deaths were reported in last 24 hours. According to Union Health Ministry data, positive cases in India now stand at 7,67,296. This includes 2,69,789 active cases, while 4,76,378 have recovered. The death toll has meanwhile climbed to 21,129. In Manipur, the COVID-19 tally has climbed to 1,435 after 5 cases were detected as of late Wednesday. The fresh cases were confirmed at the Viral Research and Diagnostic Laboratory of Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences, JNIMS, Imphal. The new cases are from Senapati district, officials said. A bombshell believed to be of World War II era was found inside a residential complex belonging to Nauram Rajan Singh at Thinungai Ward No. 5 yesterday, according to a report. The bomb was found during digging work for construction of a house. A team of bomb experts have retrieved the bomb for disposal. Anganwadi Center A at Longmai 4 under None district provided 2 kg rice and dal each to more than 50 children, including pregnant women in the village this morning. K. Aluthau, a helper of the Anganwadi Center, said that ICDS is one of the most ambitious and comprehensive child development schemes. Thekcham Brojendra Khaba Maite, designated officer of Food Safety Administration, has said that Likla mixed fruit beverages manufactured by Thangjam Agro Industries and Sana Food Products, Pineapple Drink and Nimbu Pani have violated the guidelines of Food Safety and Standards Authority of India. Talking to reporters today at the Food Safety Administration office located inside the complex of Directorate of Health, Lampel, Brojendra further said that the 2 industries are selling products which have already crossed expiry dates. Chickenpox disease is spreading fast in Kwakta Municipal Council area under Bishnupur district since the past 2 months. According to information received by Tom TV, some 50 to 60 persons are suffering from the illness in the area, but due to fear of social stigma, the exact figure has been concealed. The residents have appealed to the concerned authorities to look into the situation at the earliest. The devastating flood has taken the life of 1 more person in Assam's Barpeta district yesterday. With this, the death toll in the ongoing current wave of floods has climbed to 40, as per media reports. The situation, however, has largely improved in 11 districts, even as around 2 lakh people in 12 of the state's 33 districts have been still affected. Global coronavirus cases today topped 12 million with 5.5 lakh deaths and 6 million recoveries. The number of cases is triple that of severe influenza illnesses recorded annually, according to World Health Organization (WHO). The United States, which has the maximum number of cases worldwide, reported more than 59,000 new COVID-19 cases on Wednesday, the biggest increase ever reported by a country in a single day, according to a Reuters tally.